Hi everyone! Welcome to Urban Style Chic. I have exciting news for you. I am officially Sarah Flint brand ambassador. Yay! It brings me so much joy to be part of their community since Sarah Flint is known for her chic yet comfortable shoes. They are considered a luxury brand that provides the highest quality shoes without charging the traditional retail markup which other brands do. About this brand, it is designed by Sarah Flint herself and inspired by great women. She understands the frustration of buying shoes that end up sitting in our closet. Because of this, she improves the details of fit and construction to make the most comfortable and durable shoes, never sacrificing an ounce of style. She makes sure to source the most premium materials. Once they're crafted, the shoes then go through rounds of prototyping and fit testing. Because she doesn't only want better shoes, but better experiences for us. Let me show you what I've picked from their collection. This is Sarah Flint's welcome gift to me as a brand ambassador. Each pair of shoes is beautifully handcrafted in Italy by the top artisans who make the highest quality luxury shoes in the world. Mine was made by Ron. Thank you for making these shoes for me. This shoe style is called Rosie. It is a slip-on heeled loafer, so stylish and versatile. I can wear them with jeans, shorts, and even dresses. It has 30mm heel height, which is approximately 1 inch, that gives the right amount of extra height while offering the comfort of a flat. These shoes are handcrafted in Italy, known for impeccable craftsmanship and great quality leather. The upper material is made of triple-dyed Italian suede and it has leather lining. Oh, I love this navy blue color. There is a 3mm of extra padding added to footbed for increased comfort. The leather outsole has full rubber forepart to prevent slipping. I can't wait to show you some outfits that I will wear with these shoes, so stay tuned for my next video. This is a perfect everyday shoe for me. Sarah Flint believes women deserve shoes that are just as comfortable as beautiful.